I remember when I was fire, melting, shaping, dreaming of form. Now I sleep beneath ice, dreaming of the warmth I once was. I remember when I was water, rising, falling, and rising again. Now the wind knows my shape and keeps teaching me to change. But then came the footsteps. For some, I am freedom. For others, a prison. For some, I am worth worshiping. For others, destroying. For some, I am a trophy. And for others, a saint. For some, I am a means. For others, the meaning. For some, I am life. For others, death. But I am not their story. I am what remains when stories end. I have seen their gods born and buried. I have seen empires turn to dust. Yet dust becomes soil, and soil becomes mountain again.